All right. Good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Filipino recruiter. I receive your biodata from BBL Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
I can speak English a little.
Okay, if you don't know how to communicate with your employer, there is no point of coming here. Okay? Better stay in the Philippines, yeah? Okay?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Are you a 100% willing to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Do you have any
I want to work.
friends? Okay, do you have any friends or any family members working here?
Yes, yes, ma'am. My cousins,
Do you know which part here your cousin is working?
uh, Kuala Lumpur.
Remind yourself that you come here to work and not to meet up with your cousin or friends, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you healthy or do you have any health issues in your body?
No, madam. Oh, no,
If
ma'am. I'm
if
healthy.
okay, so if you feel unwell or if you think that there is something inside your body, better stay in the Philippines so that you won't give us problem at the same time, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, but at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Is this your first time working abroad?
No, ma'am. I've been Saudi and Qatar.
Okay, what comes into your mind that you chose to come and work here in Malaysia? You can go to Singapore or Hong Kong. They got higher salary than here in Malaysia.
It's because I'm safe there if I work there because my cousins are there and they can protect me if emergency. And then it's same time at the Philippines. I can't feel homesick.
Okay, can you help me introduce yourself, please?
Yes, ma'am. I'm Jinlin Abilong Lazaro. I'm 35 years old. I'm single mother and I want to work there in Malaysia.
Okay, I need to know some few more details from you first. Are you a single mother or single with live-in partner?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am. I'm only single mother.
You don't have any boyfriend.
Mm.
Okay, when is your birthday?
February 9, 1990.
What is your height and your weight?
Uh, my height is 5'3" and my weight is maybe 65.
What is your religion?
Roman Catholic.
What about your educational background?
High school graduate at
Oh,
ALS.
okay, you mentioned that you are a single mother, and according to your profile, it was stated that you have a one kid which is 13 years old. Am I right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who will going to take care of this kid knowing that you are a single mother and no one going to take care of her or him? Who will going to take care of your kid later?
My father,
How old is your father and what is his occupation?
56, and before he worked at security guard and fisherman, but now he's taking care my boarding house.
Okay, what about your mother?
It's died.
Deceased. Okay, how
Died.
many brother and sister do you have?
Uh, Only me and my brother.
Okay, so are you the eldest?
The second, the
The
youngest.
youngest. Okay. So it's not new for you working abroad because according to you, you already got working experience in other countries, right?
Mm.
So this is a 2 years contract and you cannot simply say you wanted to go back home because you miss your family. You cannot handle your job anymore and you are homesick, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Once you terminate your contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer and at the same time the agency as nobody force you to come and work here in Malaysia. Any uncertain things that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please be remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home also. Okay? No one forced you
Yes,
to
ma'am.
come and work here. You are the one who wanted to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and you wanted to give a better future for your kid knowing that you are a single mother. Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Usage of mobile handphone, are you aware that you cannot hold your phone for 24 hours, but instead you can hold it during nighttime only after you finish your job for the whole day, and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. Of course, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out on your rest day. You will going to stay only inside the employer's house, and if you will work, employer will going to compensate your salary. Are you okay with our rules and regulations?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
With
I'm
the one
agree.
later that in our initial interview, yes ma'am, but once come here in Malaysia, different story already. No such a thing. Because we
Yes,
have
ma'am.
been so transparent in our initial interview, okay? That you
Yes,
agree
ma'am.
about all our rules and regulations. If you agree, it's okay. You can stay, you can work properly, don't give us problem. But if you don't agree with our terms and conditions, it's okay also. We don't force people to come here. You can stay in the Philippines or find job opportunities into other countries. Yeah?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, according to your profile and according to you, you work in Middle East, right? How many years you work in KSA?
1 year and 7 months, madam.
Okay,
Ma'am.
what year did you started and what year did you finish in KSA?
Maybe May 2015 to 2017 March.
What happened? Why you didn't finish your contract?
Because my employer said before Ramadan, he want me to vacation here in
Okay.
Philippines. But I did not come back, madam. Ay, ma'am. I did not come back. Because
Oh.
I have a history of my employer, my baba.
So
He
you
harassed me. He harassed me, but I did not tell to my madam.
okay. So can you share it with me? What is your job responsibilities to your previous employment in KSA?
I'm my employer there uh
What is your
is
job
madam
responsibilities? Okay? Did you do house chores,
all,
cooking, laundry, ironing?
all around ma'am.
Did you do house chores, general house chores?
Yes.
Did you cook, do laundry and ironing?
No, no. I only taking care her pets and her grandmother.
How old is the elderly?
Maybe 70.
70
Her
years
mother
old.
70.
And what kind of pet? Is it dog or cat?
Cat,
How many
cat,
cat?
4.
Four cats. Okay. So you do taking care of the elderly, which is 70 years old, which is a female, and you take care of four cats and you do house chores at the same time, right?
Yes, yes,
After
ma'am.
KSA, do you have any working experience?
Yes, and Qatar.
How many years you work there?
Only my employer is the my real employer is um,
I am asking you, Ate, how many years you work there?
maybe what 10 months,
What year and what
10 months,
month?
2017 to 2019.
What month?
I 1 year and 1 month. I start November and then I go home November.
Okay, so what is your job responsibilities there to your previous employment in Qatar?
I'm taking care old man, old woman,
How old is she?
90.
90. So you focus on taking care of this female elderly only, is it?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what happened when you didn't finish your contract also?
He died.
He
Oh,
died.
she died.
Okay, so after 2019, you are a full-time mother until now.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I would like to let you know the reality of working here in Malaysia, okay? Employer here
Yes,
is
ma'am.
very particular when it comes to cleanliness. Houses here is quite big, so you need to get ready yourself, fasten your seat belt, because you might experience some things that you didn't experience also in Middle East, okay? Are you
Yes,
ready for
ma'am.
any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you cook?
Uh, a little.
But are you willing to learn?
Yes, I want to learn.
Okay, can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
Yes, yes,
Are
ma'am.
you comfortable taking care of pets?
Yes, madam. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, remind yourself why you wanted to come and work abroad because you wanted to sustain your family's needs. In Philippines, you can do whatever you want, but here in Malaysia, no such a thing. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer and we need to respect the culture of the employer at the same time. Any problems, any concerns, inform your employer because you will be the one working inside the premises for 2 years, yeah?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you, but please stay connected through WhatsApp because globalized agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer, okay?
Yes,
Thank you
ma'am.
so much and have a good day.